Don't forget to click that subscribe and bell icon to receive a notification each time I upload a new video. Where are you looking? You need to be looking here.
Where?
There.
Little black thing there.
That little black dot there on the
How
front.
does everybody fit in there? That's clever. Welcome to Steampunk Tuesday. I'm Ian.
And I'm Mike.
Bentley's asleep down there.
He is.
Today's video is more of a show and tell than a process video. It started with our friend Amanda. Hang on, nobody's listening, are they? Come a bit closer. It started with our friend Amanda, who decided she wanted a herb journal all about herbs and
Gardening.
And then we thought about doing something a bit darker. So, you know,
A bit darker.
it's a lot darker. So, should we have a flick through?
Yes, I think so.
This may look like an ordinary journal to you, but it holds a very dark secret.
It looks very pretty.
It's very, very pretty. This is a commission piece for our friend Amanda. If you're seeing this now, she has received it in the post and confirmed that it's okay to share. She did say that once she got it, I could make another one for somebody if I would like, that's Amanda all over. She's lovely. Okay, this is covered in a rather beautiful, almost Cath Kidston pattern.
If you know who Cath Kidston is.
I'm sure they do. Lovely roses and pretty flowers.
Yes.
However, when you open up the inside, it is a completely different story. This is a poisoner's handbook. So you've got throughout, I'll explain how it works. Throughout the journal you have all the different poisons, poisonous plants, etc. And they all have what we've called a death rating.
Right.
To how toxic they are. They are, in real life, all are very toxic. I've just maybe ramped it up a little bit, you know. So, are you feeling okay? Are you sure? There's a little envelope there to start with. That's to put little notes and secrets in.
What does it sound? Experiment notes.
Experiment notes, highly toxic, take care.
Dear me.
So then we start off with, there are 5 signatures in here as normal. 10 sheets in, 10 pages in a signature, 40 sheets in total. That's right, isn't it? 200, 40, 10, yeah, 40.
It's 200 pages.
40 sides, yeah.
Yeah.
So, you have these little symptom cards. On the back, it gives you the name of the flower on the front and tells you how quickly and how painfully they're going to kill people.
How deadly it is.
How deadly it is. We also have double-sided cards to write in. This poison is ideal for getting rid of a bad employer.
Death rating 3.
Yeah, and then this tells you what the death rating is. It goes from being, you know, you're dead anyway, so just touch this and you're dead. Belladonna.
I like that. Very, very dead.
Very, very,
Not
very...
just a little dead, but
very,
very,
very dead. This information is for your eyes only, so it's not the sort of thing you want to share with friends if you're planning to do away with them.
We'll just have to point out that Amanda isn't planning on killing anybody.
Not as we know.
This is purely reference and taking notes only.
It is, yes, yes. So we have little pockets here. We've got Belladonna there. They all have the death rating on them. That's a death rating of 12. That's almost certain. This poison is ideal for getting rid of anyone at any time. Little pockets. You've got your pages, information, thoughts for the day. Enjoy life. People who are safe for now. People who are safe for now. Thoughts on the victims. So you've got little envelopes, and they've all been tinted in the green. What's the green I use, Mike? To do the edges with the cards.
I think it was shabby shutters, wasn't it?
It was shabby shutters,
or peeled
yeah.
paint, one of the two.
You see cyclamen, you get them in your garden, but they are toxic.
Yes, but I want to say arsenic green.
Arsenic green. Please don't lick your fingers once you've been using it. It's not, it's shabby shutters.
Yeah.
And then this tells you all about the toxicity. So you've got, all the way through, you've got different cards. The signature papers are the same throughout. They've all been tea dyed, etc. But all the cards are different throughout the journal. So little pockets, that's got arms in it. We've got those in our garden.
Yes, we have.
We have.
Mediterranean ones.
Yes, Mediterranean ones. And then all the way through you've got the little cards. I mean that one, Calthus for that, which is like the buttercup.
Oh yeah.
But they're quite toxic, which make you a bit poorly. But yeah, all the way through we have different cards and different sheets to point out the different poisons all the way through.
Very good. And
then as we get towards the end has got quite a lot in it. So you've got your symptoms card for that one, which is Anemone Morosa. You've got your Cystis, yep. And then you've got your experiments book at the end, which is not staple, so you can add other sheets if you like. So that's your little book at the end. Then at the back you've got another envelope, death rating info for your eyes only. It was such a shame, they look so well. And then the back cover this handbook belongs to, because you don't advertise the fact in the front, do you?
No.
So yes, that is the Poisonous Handbook. Amanda has said if anybody else would like one, which is kind of a thank you, that just let me know, drop me a line and we can talk about it. But you've got to be, I'll have to suss you out first to make sure you're, suitable.
Not a potential murderer.
Not a potential murderer.
There's no ill intent
intended. No, intended, no. So yeah, so that is the Poisonous Handbook.
What I think is really funny is it just looks so innocuous from the outside, doesn't it? It just looks like
it's like a pretty little notebook, which is what we wanted.
But inside
you've got all the poisons and the different ways to poison someone, and it just feels nice because all the pages have been in the oven to crinkle them.
Yes, just makes me laugh. Just thinking, the pen is mightier than the sword, unless there's poison inside.
This is true. All the pages are parchment. None of it's just ordinary white copy paper.
So you haven't tea dyed it, you've just wet it.
I've just wet it
It's
on.
been crinkled, dried in the oven.
It has, but it's all parchment paper.
Yeah.
So it looks really, really nice and feels nice. I don't like copy paper. I prefer to use all this kind of thing. So that is the Poisonous Handbook. Please don't tell everybody. We've seen it. We don't want the police coming round. That's all for today. Thank you very much. If you've enjoyed this, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, you can do by clicking at the link at the end of this video.
That'll do.
That'll do for now. And once again, thank you, Amanda. And if you feel the need, drop me a line through my website, The Vane Industries. Bye for now.
Bye. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.